Hello and welcome to MargBooks. Today, we will learn how to enter the ledger opening balance in MargBooks. First, the dashboard screen will open. From the left side menu, click on Master and then select Opening Balance. On the Opening Balance screen, you will see two options, Ledger and Stock. To enter the ledger opening balance, click on the Ledger option. The ledger list will open. An opening balance is the closing balance carried forward from the previous financial year. It represents the outstanding receivables or payables at the beginning of the current financial year. Now, search for the required ledger using the search bar. Once the ledger is selected, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This will open the opening balance window. Enter the opening balance amount and press Enter. If the ledger's balancing method is on account, the opening balance will be saved immediately after entering the amount. However, if the ledger's balancing method is bill by bill, pressing Enter will move the focus to the bill detail section. Here, enter the bill date, bill number, overdue days, bill value, and bill amount. Once the opening amount and bill balance amount are equal, press the Enter key again to save the ledger opening balance. In the same way, you can search for multiple ledgers one by one and enter their opening balances. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.